Hey guys, it's Brandon Miniman from XD Developers. In 2017, we saw Apple bring a gesture-based UI to the iPhone X, which allowed them to eliminate the home button. And it looks like some manufacturers, such as OnePlus, are bringing that to the table. This is the OnePlus 5T, and in the latest Oxygen Oreo beta, they allow you to remove the nav bar buttons to get a full screen experience, and then it enables gesture navigation. So hopefully I can show you here. To go back home, you swipe up. And you can do some other things too. So again, swipe up to go home, just like on the iPhone. It's just as smooth. Another thing you can do is you can enter the multitask view if you swipe up and pause, and then you can go into the multitask view. Just like you can do on the iPhone. Although the iPhone has the added advantage of being able to switch between apps. This is one of the greatest features, I think, of the gesture UI, by swiping over here like that. On the OnePlus 5T Oxygen OS beta for Oreo, you cannot swipe between apps in that way. But something that it does add is the ability to go back with a swipe up either in this zone or this zone. Here, I'll show you. So if we go into this tweet and we want to go back, we swipe up right here and it goes back. The iPhone doesn't do that. I think it might be a little bit more intuitive, actually, if the swipe up gesture were to be just a swipe from the side, although that could conflict with some apps like Chrome, where you swipe between pages by doing that. But anyway, you swipe up, and it's just something you get used to. And, you know, this might be something in 2018 we see on a lot of phones. You know, whether you want to admit it or not, when Apple does something, the industry follows. And we're seeing OnePlus be one of the first movers to do this gesture-based navigation, which makes a lot of sense. You know, once you get used to it, it's really fast and fluid. And it's something that allows you to have a fuller screen experience because you don't need on-screen keys, you don't need physical keys, and it's just something you gotta kind of relearn and train your muscle memory to work for. So that was just a quick look at the gesture-based navigation on the Oxygen OS beta. On the OnePlus 5T. Anyone can get in on this beta. OnePlus makes it very easy to enter their beta track of software. This is beta 3. Beta 2 did not have the gestures, so you'll get the over-the-air update to beta 3, which was just released like a couple of days ago, and then you can play around with the gesture nav and see if you like it. Or, of course, you can just keep the on-screen keys enabled if that's kind of what you want to. All right, thanks for watching.